We are going to be dependent on people that today they are giving us food or money or rice or whatever, and we are feeding X amount. Tomorrow they don't give us, we are not going to stop feeding them. We will continue to feed them. So we are not dependent on anybody's funds for feeding the dogs. It's very helpful if somebody does give us. We are very grateful if somebody even gives us 500 rupees. I am very grateful. Because they give with good intention, and I also say कि अच्छा मेरी इतने किलो चावल आ जाएंगे इसमें, so I don't hesitate that way. But the fact is that tomorrow they don't give me that 500 rupees, I'm not going to say that नहीं नहीं इन्होंने 500 नहीं दिए तो मैं आज 5 कुत्तों को नहीं खिलाऊंगी या मैं 2 कुत्तों को नहीं खिलाऊंगी. No, no. The dogs will be fed, whatever it is. So I have told, that is why we don't want a shelter. We don't want to have a shelter or a place where we say, okay, we'll start caring for them. We can't do it because we can't afford it. Why do you think we vaccinate these dogs or we sterilize them? It's because we don't want them to fall ill. Because if they fall ill, it's an excess expense for me. I don't want to do that. One thing we are very passionate about is, either I have a bus, if Ratan Tata can give me a bus, I don't mind. I convert it into a hospital and a moving wheel hospital, or some way where a street dog is hit, is given at least the first aid. Main thing is first aid to do, tadaf ki kyun mare wo. So that is what really we feel that once we have the money and we have the capability, we will do that. But beyond that, we don't want to. Not open a shelter, not have a rescue, nothing. Ambulance, yes, don't mind, but when we have a hospital. We're very keen on that. That is something which is in the back of our mind. But we feel that if they are given a good meal, substantial meal, we don't give एक मुट्ठी खाना दे दो और कहो कि जी हमने इतने कुत्तों को खिला दिया. No, we give a substantial wholesome food is given that we know कि इनका पेट भरा है रात को, आराम से सोएंगे. That is what gives us the satisfaction, and that is what we do. But we are not going to just for numbers एक मुट्ठी खाना दे दो और बोलो जी मैंने 1000 कुत्तों को खिलाया, मैंने 500 कुत्तों को खिलाया. Why have numbers? We to feed anybody who wants. I am giving so many of these boys from Timur Nagar. दे देती हूँ. I know they can't afford to pay me money. It's okay. I don't give them money. My process is food is cooked in my house. Okay. Cooked food is given to them. Oh, that's it. They take cooked food from me. How can I give them money, and for what will I give them money? I don't give money. Because if you give them money, they'll use it on their nasha only. That to 100%. Even if my man goes for feeding, we always after 3-4 days Divya will go and see that the feeding is done according to what we want. We are very particular. Newspaper rakho, we can't keep bowls because people pick them up or break them. So we put newspaper. We are begging people for newspaper. There are kind people who keep giving us newspaper, but the meal is not thrown on the ground. It is given on the paper. It's not thrown on the ground. They are not supposed to eat from the ground. It's unfair. They are given on paper. Let them eat from the paper, and paper can be just thrown. Initially we used to use plastic, but once plastic is gone, we don't use. We have these buckets, fill them all up and take them. People can put photographs and say, please people help, hi bichara help. What stops you from picking up that dog and taking? There's similarly one dog in this Bharat Nagar gully was crying for 1.5 days, and one small boy picked him up and took him to Friendico's because that is where he thought that I take the dogs, and Friendico's was closed at night. And then this phool wala and this boy rang me up and said कि आंटी ये तो बंद है और ये रो रही है, बहुत रो रही है, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, रो रही है. So I told them, I said take to Maxvet, बेटा आप Maxvet ले जाओ, देखते क्या है. Somebody had hit her, she was full pregnant and she was delivering dead puppies, she was all blooded. And then they told me, I said इसको यहाँ रखो भाई, इसके सारे बच्चे निकालो, take care. उसको 2 महीने हमने Friendico's पे डाला because we could not afford Maxvet, it was so expensive. After I paid the money to them, I took her to Friendico's. वहाँ फ्रेंडिकोज में उसका इलाज कराया. Now she's happy running around, got her sterilized, she's alive. But when they had that dead puppies, वो एक कोने में रोई जा रही है. This boy at least had that much in him. That entire gully must have had about 5,000 people. Nobody bothered. For 2 days she was crying.
And he was छोटा बच्चा 13-14 साल का.
हाँ, he picked up. छोटा सा बच्चा, he picked her up.
और ऑटो में डाल के ले भी गया. मतलब बड़े बड़े लोग तो वेट करते रहते हैं, एम्बुलेंस भेज दो, ये भेज दो. मतलब and he had that much sense कि ट्रबल में है, take the dog in an auto to a hospital. नहीं तो most of the people just don't bother.
We'll pay, it doesn't matter.
People run over dogs and they don't bother.
Yeah, they don't.
They don't.
How can you be so cruel?
And some do it purposely also.
मतलब I to say that we are, I don't know how many houses in New Friends Colony, 2,000-3,000 houses in New Friends Colony. If they take out one roti every day for them,
They can't.
3,000 rotis will feed so many dogs. They will feed cats. They will feed cows. दो तो nobody is willing to कूड़े में डाल देंगे. But they will not give. But why do they do this? I don't understand. You can wear dresses worth lakhs. You can go to a restaurant and eat food worth few thousands every night. You can party. But 2 rupees की एक रोटी तुम नहीं दे सकते हो. I just don't understand. You're just feeding them here. If I feed the भिखारीज on the road and I post pictures कि आज मैंने 5 भिखारियों को खाना खिलाया जो तुमसे पैसे लेकर रात को शराब पी लेंगे, that's acceptable to everybody. But here you give money, give food to the animals, you are down-rated, horrible people. You have got no class, you are classless, you have got no this thing. तुम तो ऐसे anytime and लोग हो जो तुम कुत्तों का करते हो. This is how people think of you. How bad. It is so sad how people.
After knowing all these things, only one thing I can say to you that see, we might be different with our religions and all, or our beliefs and all, but
What happened was Divya fell ill. Divya fell ill and she had to be operated upon. And whichever doctor we would go to would give us, scare us and say ये भी करना पड़ेगा, वो भी करना पड़ेगा. Out of the blue, my sister said, I have a friend who's a gynae in AIIMS. Take to her. Might be she is of help. And she was an excellent head of the department and all. She said, I'll operate on Divya. And I'll try my best, to just cure the problem and not do something major on her. But I can't get you a room or a bed or anything. And she said, Mummy, people die for AIIMS. And over here the head of the department is saying, so you stay at home, मेरे को चाहे एक बेड भी दे देंगे, मैं अपना ऑपरेशन करवा के. As a mother I said, how can that be, And one day somebody rang us up and said, flan dog is unwell and all. So she said, look, I myself unwell and I can't help you. So that gentleman told us that, what is your problem? She says, I'm supposed to be, we had got the date for the operation also. She says, we've got the date for the operation and everything. And I'm unable to find a room or a, dormitory or a bed in AIIMS, and that operation had to be done. Her hemoglobin was, I think, 4, 5, and she was in such a bad state of affairs. And he was something in the health ministry.
Oh, wonderful.
We didn't even know that, and he told her that kal jana, go and meet the PA to the whatever he is over there, and go and meet the PA, and let's see what he does. And we got a VIP room. She got operated, she got cured, and I came and I said, this is all blessing to the dogs.
Exactly.
We hardly spent anything. Had we gone to a private hospital, we would have spent 3-4 lakhs.
Yeah.
Over here, hardly spent anything, few thousands, and we were in all comfort in every possible sphere. So this is, I think, इनकी दुआएं लगती हैं. When my husband died, I went into such acute depression that I didn't know how to take care of my children. But we have survived all this. We have survived everything. We've lived dignifiedly not begged people for money is because of these dogs. इनकी दुआएं लगी कि कहाँ से
बेशक,
कहाँ आ गया,
बेशक।
चाहे इनके लिए खाना आना था वो हमारे
बेशक,
जरिए से जाना था।
बेशक बेशक।
तो आई तो फील कि इनके हमारे जरिए से गया है पर हमारे को हेल्प किया। आई फील दैट हाफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया, इफ दे हैव लिटिल कंपैशन, they will not be in such a bad state. It's so sad, it is so sad. चलते चलते तुम टांग मार देते हो, अरे किसने मारा भैया, वो सो रहा था तुमने टांग क्यों मारी, दिल किया कि कुत्ता तो है, that word कुत्ता तो है is such a horrible thing. So I just give up. Now we've given up on people. We have no expectations from anybody. कोई दे दे हाथ जोड़ के ले लेते हैं, नहीं देता ये नहीं होता कि हमारी खाना या हमारा फीडिंग उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होगा. It is up to us how we earn to feed them, and we do it.
I must say one thing, that you both or anyone like with you is working with this platform or project or services, आप लोगों के लिए जन्नत में, पैराडाइज में एक अलग से जगह है, ये हमेशा याद रखना मेरी बात, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.